What is the typical cost of home restoration services?
The typical cost of home restoration services varies widely because home restoration covers a massive spectrum of property damage. As a result, the typical cost depends heavily on the specific crisis being addressed, whether it's water, fire, mold, or storm damage. At Paul Davis Restoration of the Mid-Hudson Valley, costs are determined precisely based on the severity and the size of the damage. In our area, a typical water loss may have costs around $4,000 to $5,000. However, water damage restorations vary according to the severity of the damage, with a range of less than $1,000 to more than $100,000. Restoration of fire or smoke damage may range from $8,000 for a minor localized fire to $75,000 or more for larger fires. Mold remediation costs vary quite dramatically depending on the size of the project. In our area, the median mold project has costs of roughly $18,000 to $25,000.
Are home restoration expenses covered by insurance?
Frequently, home restoration expenses are covered by insurance. Generally, insurance will pay for home restoration when the loss is caused by a covered peril that was sudden and accidental. At Paul Davis Restoration of the Mid-Hudson Valley, every day our teams navigate losses that are covered by insurance. We have the experience to help you assess whether your claim may be covered by your insurance carrier. Ultimately, only your insurance carrier can give you a final answer about whether a claim will be covered. At Paul Davis Restoration of the Mid-Hudson Valley, we are able to communicate competently with your insurance carrier to document damage and collaborate about solutions.